Guys, so today I'll show you how to theme your YouTube black. So for that you need to download two APKs. I'll link them in the description. So first thing, you download two APKs and go and find them in your my files as I am doing. So I'm just gonna find them where they are. Just wait a second, I will find them where they are. So guys, I just found them, and then these are the two APKs. So you need to go ahead and install them in your device. So I have already installed them, so I will not install them. So after installing them, now go to the APKs that you have installed. Like I have installed this OG YouTube app, so now open this. This is how you get the black theme on your YouTube. Everything will be black. I'll show you how to play a video in it, and it will be also black. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And guys, peace.